At one stage, I used to fly the A109 Augusta helicopter, which is a smaller helicopter, very limited on power. So a vertical takeoff on that one wasn't really vertical takeoff. You'd struggle to get over a fence, get enough speed on a hot day in Limpopo. I think from a human point of view, you're used to walking forward and backwards, to the left or the right. The vertical plane going upwards is something that the human body doesn't experience that often. That is definitely one of the rushes that you do get from flying in a helicopter. But I'll never forget the officer commander of 19th Squadron when I got there. When we used to do night flying, it's dark, you cannot see what's around you. So this might be a bit R-rated, but Colonel van Zyl always used to say, you take your power and you fuck off. And then he'd keep his finger like this and flick it. Just grab a handful of power, you climb, get through the dust, and you go. We were in the mountains up in KwaZulu-Natal, 10, 12,000 feet up. We landed sort of like a waterfall area. We got up, you could get water for whiskey. Nice place for pictures. And then the one way that my instructor told me to get out of there was not the same way we came in. We had to do a vertical takeoff from there. And being that high up, with passengers on board, with a lot of cold water that we've scooped from the waterfall, I'll never forget that takeoff. Where's this power coming from? Like, the 109 could never do that, but with the RX, we could just climb like a beast and just continue going up. Felt like we were going to heaven. Till we broke the skyline and just descended down to the camp.